This video will show you how to use the add-on Flubaroo to grade Google Forms. Now I've created a Google form and you can see I've got different answer types. So I've got checkboxes, multiple choice and open questions. I've also got some information up here about the participant, so their name and their email address. Obviously I'm not going to want to mark those, but that's totally fine. I'm going to show you how to exclude those. If you're doing this for homework or for something internal, you could do the require school login, and you could also do automatically collect respondents' Atlanta International School username, and that username is actually their email. It's really useful to gather the email because you can actually send the responses to everyone straight away. When you've created your form, you need to fill it in yourself with all the correct answers. What I've done for this example is I've actually filled it in with the correct answers, then I've also just made some fake student accounts and logged in and filled out the form. So this is what the form looks like, really easy to fill in, and automatically once you've sent it out you'll get a document made which is the same name but with responses, and here you can see all my different responses along the end. And if you've chosen to have the username, it's probably going to be the second column here. I've just manually put in student name and the email address. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the response form, not to the Google form, the response form, and go to add-ons. And you're going to do get add-ons and search for Flubaroo. Now I've already added Flubaroo to save time, but I'm going to enable it in this sheet. I need to give it permission because I haven't used it for a while. Okay, and now what you need to do is you're going to go to add-ons, and Flubaroo you've got a whole bunch of things here, so I'm going to go to grade assignment, and the first thing it's going to ask me is for the points for each thing. So that's going to be 1 point, 1 point. This one has 3 points because I was asking for 3 answers, and it's already identified that first name, last name and email address are identifying things, so I'm not going to have any points to them. The second page, what it's going to do is ask you who to grade against. So I said that you had to fill in that form to give it the correct answers. So here I've done it as teacher. And I press continue, and it's going to grade the assignment for me. It's normally pretty quick, and you're going to see it's made a new tab. So this is the actual normal submissions, and it's made these new tabs here. So it's going to say the points possible. The average was 3.88, and it had 8 submissions, not including my one, and the number of low scoring questions are 2. So here it's given every single person a percentage and also the points. So out of 7 points, one person got 7 and one person got 6. Everyone else is highlighted in red because they got really low points basically, and it also gives you that percentage here and how many times they're submitted. So what I think is cool is that it also flags up questions people were getting wrong. So most people got 2 plus 2 equals 4 right, apart from student 3. What is the capital of Georgia, and what are these following our Google apps? These ones people really struggled with. So as a teacher, I haven't just done a multiple choice quiz where I've just graded that they've done the work. Here I can actually see what things we need to address more in class. So only 50% of the people got that one right. Only 25% of people got all 3 points on there. So this is really useful, not just to grading it for me, but highlighting those areas of concern. Now what's also nice is you can go back to add-ons and you can go to Flubaroo and you can email grades. So the students will get an email and it will have include the list of questions and scores. I can include the answer key if I want. Well done. Everyone worked really hard on this. We will go over some of the information again in class, including the capital of Georgia and the list of Google apps. So this really is going to save you a lot of time. It's much better than just doing a multiple choice quiz where the students answer others' work. You get data which you can use. You could do this for homework, and so the homework is due by the Wednesday lesson. Just before they come to Wednesday lesson, grade the Google form and you can share the information straight away as they arrive. If you need any more help with Flubaroo, please ask me.